This is my proof of the flood and the giants and their existence on Earth. So we're going to start with the Pacific Ocean, North Pacific. And you see how these ridgelines of the ocean kind of flare out in like a wave pattern, like as if you was at the beach. And it goes and it engulfs the whole world. Like if there was a massive flood, that's the exact markings on this planet that it would have made. See, now we're going to move on to these formations in the North Pacific, and the only little region where the pattern of so-called waves, I call them, meet. There's a mass of Earth that's popping up in a curved angle. But the difference between this one is that is these figures. It's not just a mound or, a wall. It's these figures, and that these figures look eerily similar to the Babylonian and Sumerian gods of the ancient Mesopotamia. But you see the one with the dress, it had like little pointy boobs on it, might I say. Like this, just the way that it's formed, it's very similar to these outfits and everything. The hats, the beards. I mean, it's just eerily coincidental. Well, if the shoe fits.
Huh? Cinderella.